over 50 years, Systems has been manufacturing structurally superior loading dock equipment. These reliable dock levelers and vehicle restraints have proven to stand the test of time. The use of dock equipment from Systems brands are now enhanced with the addition of myQ dock management, connecting your loading docks to the future. Utilizing IoT technology, advanced iDock controls can be connected online to myQ dock management and provide valuable analytics of your loading dock activity. Simply pair your iDock controls with an iDock gateway, and the data from your loading docks will be sent to the cloud for you to review anytime, anywhere from your account at myQ.com. From your dashboard with myQ Dock Management, you can quickly review the real-time status of all your loading docks, including which docks are available, any that are approaching or past your load time requirements, and timestamps of recent activity. Trucks can even be assigned to a dock with carrier information for a more accurate look into turn times and dwell times. You can also search for any past truck at dock session to review the recorded loading activity of each, as well as any detention fees you may have incurred. Next, you can move over to your historical reports to analyze your dock activity over any given period of time. This allows you to monitor changes in loading efficiency, compare each dock performance, and analyze when your docks are most utilized. You can even review details of each truck or carrier and their average turn times and detention fees. All of the visual reports make it easy for you to see what's happening at your loading docks, helping you enhance operational efficiency, improve load times, and reduce detention fees. You can also set up and customize alerts to notify you through email or text message of events at your loading docks, such as loading past a certain time, inactivity at a dock with a truck, a restraint and bypass, and much more. For over 50 years, throughout various industries, Systems dock equipment continues to exceed all material handling industry standards. To learn more about the benefits of myQ dock management with iDock controls, call 1-800-643-5424 or visit us online at loadingdocksystems.com/myQ.